how to enable waiting room in Zoom meeting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So maybe you're conducting multiple interviews and you want some people in the waiting room until one interview is over. Then I'll show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. You need to head over to your browser, head over to Zoom, make sure that you're logged in. Then on the left hand side, scroll down, tap on My Account, and then from there you'll find Settings. Click on it. Now you need to go to the Meeting tab, scroll down, and toggle on Enable Waiting Room. When participants join a meeting, they will be automatically placed in a waiting room and require the host to admit them individually. So, enabling the waiting room automatically disables the setting for allowing participants to join before host. So, it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.